Hello everyone, my name is Rashail Anwar and you're watching Complete Education Pakistan. Today our topic is Colors of Pakistan, Unit 7, Grade 4, Part 8 based on One Nation, One Curriculum. So let's start. Answer the questions. Name at least one seasonal festival of Pakistan. The answer is Jashn-e-Bahara. What are the traditional dresses worn by the people of Sindh and Kashmir? Sindhi wear ajrak and Sindhi cap with salwar kameez. And Kashmiri wear firan. Name a few festivals celebrated by minorities in our country. Answer. Minorities celebrate Christmas, Easter, Diwali, etc. in our country. This is a map of the city. Look and read its key symbols to locate the places on the map. Map key: road, playground, masjid, hospital, home, zigzag road, railway track, park, water tank and bridge. Where is the road? The road is right here. Where is the playground? The playground is right here. And where is the masjid? The masjid is here. Where is the hospital? The hospital is here. The home. Where is the home? The home is here. Where is the zigzag road? It's just right here. Where is the railway track? It's right here. Where is the park? The park is here. Where is the water tank? The water tank is right here. Bridge. The bridge is here, here, here and here. There are 4 bridges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 bridges. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you all enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure to subscribe to our channel Complete Education Pakistan. Like this video and don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye. See you in the next video.